Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Ryan and today we're going to learn something about Photoshop, which is a really basic and necessary tool in this app. Let's jump into the program and we want to know how to resize an image in Photoshop. If you want to resize your image, it will change the dimension and resolution of your picture. So the very first step is to just go to the image and you can see the image size here, or you can just hold Alt, Control and I together and you can see that this window will appear here. The first one is the size of your image here, and the next one is dimension of the photo. So the next one is just a list here that you can see some presets of dimension that here you can also load, you can save, or you can use your custom one. So let's jump to the next one. It's width and height. These two are linked together here, and if you want to change them, you can just simply write your number here, or the other way is to just hold your click on one of these two, width and height here, and if you change them you can just see that both of their numbers are changing. This number are linked together, and if you want to just unlink them you can click on this button here and you'll see if you change one of them the other one's not changing. So let's go to the list box in front of each number there are lots of units in front of it. For example, if you're going to use your photo for the digital usage, you can just simply use pixel or points, or if you want to use it for printing you can use inch, centimeter, millimeter and other units you can see here. You can see the resolution as the next one, and after that you can just click on OK and you'll see that your picture will be resized. We want to, for example, change this two numbers here. I want to change it to, for example, I don't know, a custom number here, and then we'll click on OK. So you will see that this picture will be resized here. So let me talk about how to resize one layers in your project. For example, here we got two layers and we want to resize or change the size of this layer here. For this work, just click on it and use Ctrl T, or you can go to Edit and Free Transform here. So the first way here, you can just click one of these points around your picture to just resize your picture here, or if you just hold the shift button you can see that it will be resized and formed. And next to your cursor you can see that there is a box appears. You can check that numbers to just find out what exactly has changed. You can just move your picture by pixel here. So here you can just change these numbers like this, and there are also two more options here that you can change the scale of your picture, the scale of your layer by percent. Here you can see that how it happens, or if you just link these two numbers here you can see that it will be scale linked. Then here we got more options to rotation and also scaled in some ways, and then if it was okay for you you can just click on this button to just commit your transform. And finally, let me tell you that these two ways are two easy ways to do this, and I know that there are other ways to do this works, but these two are the basic and so some easy ways to resize your picture. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and if you have any question about resizing or any question about these topics, you can just simply go to the comment section below and leave a comment and I'll be glad. Thank you for watching again.